For this assembly, you'll need a 9/16" socket and wrench, 5/16" socket, 7/16" socket and wrench, Phillips and straight blade screwdriver. Remove the monitor from the packaging and place it on a sturdy surface. Remove the Velcro straps from the TV projector and slide the projector onto the monitor, secure with the straps. Remove the mounting plate from the TV mount. Store the screw in a safe place. You'll need it later. Place 4 plastic spacers on the back of the TV. Mount the mounting plate to the back of the TV. Lift the assembly and place the TV on the mounting plate holder. Attach the bolt to the back of the mount. Once secure, connect the HDMI and power cables to the monitor. Pull the TV mount out and push on one side to access the mount plate holder. Adjust the mounting plate to the vertical position and tighten the nuts on each side. To install a drawer on one side, insert the drawer slide into the cabinet and fully close the drawer. The mechanism will latch automatically. To remove a drawer, pull the drawer out until it stops. Then pull the left locking lever up while pushing the right locking lever down. Pull the drawer clear of the sides. Plug the power cord and USB connection into the back of the printer and place the printer on the upper drawer in the left compartment. Install the USB hub in the central compartment. Plug the USB AM cable from the printer into the USB hub. Connect the USB hub computer port connector into the USB switch. Other computer USB devices, such as keyboard and mouse, may be installed at this time. Place one power strip in the central compartment and route the cord through the cable channel to the lower compartment. Place the second in the lower compartment. Place the UPS device into the lower right compartment on the shelf. Plug the UPS power system into one of the GFCI slots in the power strip. Plug both power strips into the UPS power system power backup and surge protection slots. Lift brackets are installed using the pre-drilled holes near the top corners of the DataVault. Prepare bolt assembly by placing a washer on each bolt. While holding the backing plate in place on the inside and the bracket on the outside, pass the bolt and washer through and secure with nut on the inside. Line up and secure the remaining nuts, bolts, and washers. Tightly secure the brackets and torque to 47 foot-pounds. All 4 brackets are required for crane lifting. Attach a warning decal between the lift brackets on each end of the DataVault. Place the Model 497 lift bracket instructions on the lower drawer. You have now completed assembly on the Knaack DataVault. If you need assistance or have questions, visit our website or call customer service.